Hey everybody, welcome. Hey, today, join us. We are headed to our favorite place to source, and that is a huge barn. You may remember us going there a couple times before. Really nice people, huge deals, and this is the first time that it's open this season, so it's going to be chock full of awesome stuff. Oh my gosh, guys, there's a line here, if you can see it behind us.
Anyone has any questions, just let me know. Media crazy.
Yeah, so, if you remember, we about the complete series, we found the entire Nip Tuck series here.
Oh, great! How you doing back here?
Not bad. I'm finding a few things. How about you?
I'm finding a few things too.
Oh my gosh, this thing is still here. I think we'll pick it up this time. Nice box. Not really interested in the bread maker, but if we could just take this pan and paddle here, I'd be a little happier.
Can we use this for the grass to plant the clover seed? Just in small spots? It's just small spots where we need it, like in the yellow.
Yeah, maybe, I don't know. Throw it in the bag. Well, I did see a cultivator back there. It was just one row of blades, but might as well grab it while we're here.
Yeah. Isn't that
I feel
as
like
much?
they didn't really stock up as much.
No, I'm kind of like ready to hit it.
I know.
It's,
Yeah, we could. This time, there wasn't as much stuff. We thought it'd be a little more packed, I guess. But we found some fun stuff, of course. This Jolly Green Giant plush. We'll clean this up, and this is fun. Again, we found the entire series of Nip Tuck. Looks like it was going for at least 30 or so. Also, let's see, what else did I find? Nothing too crazy. We got this really cool needlepoint kit, though, with ducks.
Ooh.
Yeah. This is brand new. I've never heard of this brand before.
But you are the king of like crochet, baby.
Oh, thank you. 1979.
Right on.
So that's pretty cool. And, and a few more DVDs here, of course, and this nice little, of course, media organization right here. Remember us saying, look for that brand Laserline. That's some good stuff right there, especially like the media shelving. But this is pretty cool too. We'll throw this all in a bag, see what they give it to us for. So Let's go.
Nice job. I found, look at, I found a little Bernardo fan.
That's nice.
I like them. They're great.
Mm-hmm.
Even if you don't keep it, I know that they are not.
Doesn't look too dirty either.
No,
so,
it's in really good shape.
yeah, that's cool. Yeah, we'll take
I like
that.
it. Smart.
Cool.
I found this funny little hat. I don't know. It's a Samuel Adams, like little whatever.
I could very easily do sell similar because we have some Leinenkugel ones.
Oktoberfest.
Yeah, we have some Leinenkugel ones that are almost identical. So
Oh, you do?
we could very easily sell this. We'll throw it
Oh,
in.
great, thanks. Okay, so here's a baby thermos, like the one you found, I think, yesterday.
Oh, yeah.
With a little round top. I don't know, but I love the color and the shape, so it's good.
Yeah.
I'm gonna need your help with these because I believe they're vintage, but I can't see well today with my contacts.
Oh.
But I really need you to look at them because it comes out.
Oh. Wow. Okay.
I think there's something there that has maybe a date.
Eagle USA and Walt Disney. Not sure, but it does have a brand name, so we'll be able to look that
And I
up.
have two of them.
Okay, cool.
So they're pretty awesome.
Yeah.
And then finally, my find for the day, which I think is because I was digging. I found a Fry leather handbag.
Okay.
It's a little bit, needs a little bit of a wiping down,
It's okay.
but I don't know. I'll have to think about it though. It's kind of a little bit beat up. I didn't realize the corners were kind of beat up.
I did see that, but
You don't think that it really affects the overall look of the bag after I shined it up?
yeah, if it's a sort of, vintagey feel to it.
It does. Well, Fry is very like, horse riding and arms and being outside. So yeah.
Okay.
That's what I found.
Sweet.
Oh, and one more thing.
Oh.
One more thing. Check this out. I was like, oh yay, a vintage wallet. But then I opened it and look, there's actually two change purses in it. So it's like vintage, but it has a change purse.
There's a tag in there, like a brand or something.
Oh, it's got a little, oh, no. The zipper. I can't read, I'm sorry, hon.
Marley International, it looks like.
So I don't know, but
We'll be able to research it that way.
I think it was cool, and I really like the Velcro. I think the Velcro's.
Heck yeah.
So that's it.
Oh boy, the Space Maker. This is a bolo if you haven't seen it already.
I brought this home. Cute.
Gosh, look at this right here.
Rip it, honey.
That's
Rip
nice.
it.
I know. Found some tillers for the garden.
For the Clover Garden.
Gosh, we were going to buy some of these brand new, so.
Let's see what you got.
Hi, how are you?
This? No, that's somebody
No.
else.
Yeah, thank you.
Two tillers.
So make me an offer.
$40?
We could do that. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, great. 40, John.
Yep.
Okay. Get a flyer for our next event.
Oh, is that it right here?
Yep, the yellow flyer.
Awesome.
See you next time. We're having a donation day next Saturday, so anyone has donations.
Oh my gosh, we have so much stuff. We'd love to buy it.
for that?
Thanks again. I think that was a good offer, $40 for all this stuff.
Sure, I think so.
Yeah. Well, guys, thank you so much for joining us today.
Yes.
We love this place. We love the people here and the great deals that we always get. So we can't wait to come back again. Oh my gosh. Thanks again, guys.
Bye, guys.
Yeah, until next time. That's up to you.
One of the things I really love about going out thrifting is the scenery. Just taking time and looking at barns and homes and farms and animals and all that stuff, especially when it's a gorgeous day like today with the sun out.